palette that I'm going to use is the special edition Oracle palette from Deck of Scarlet. If you don't know, Deck of Scarlet is actually a monthly subscription service. Their full-size palettes and kits cost under $30. So first I'm going to take this warm orangey brown color and I'm going to run that into my crease. I really like doing this just because it kind of blurs out the background of my crease color and just kind of makes everything blend a little bit more nicely. And I'm using a Sigma E38 blending brush to do that. And then the next color that I'm going to use is the color Voodoo, which is like a deep matte navy color, and I'm going to just apply that to the outer corner of my eye, and then I'll be blending it into my crease. They also do have, you can get 30% off your first order. I'll have the code that you can use in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out because I do try to list and link everything that I use in all of my videos. Next, I took the color Terra, which in person, it kind of looks like a reddish orangey color, and I wanted to try to do something different because I knew I was going to do a cut crease, and instead of, I just wanted to kind of skip the concealer step, so I mixed it. Well, when I sat down to do it, I wanted to mix it with a mixing medium, but I realized I didn't know where mine was at, so I mixed it with a glitter glue, which didn't work out too good because it kind of made it like a little bit chunky, but yeah, it would have worked if I had a mixing medium. So before I finish my eyes, I'm going to do my face. I'm going to spray some of this Sweet Chef Ginger Vitamin D Chill Mist on my face. I'm going to use this Hydra Blur Primer from Dermalogica. Really like this one. I'm just going to put it on my nose and my forehead, and I'm still going through it with my nails. I haven't got them done yet because my guy's been on vacation, and honestly, I haven't really cared. I'm just so tired of spending all that money on them. And I feel weird without them, but I'm just really so tired of spending all that money. I'm going to use a Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation. I'm using the color 117. It makes me so mad because that little guy just... Oh man, I'm really breaking out down here. That little guy just popped out. It makes me so mad because my nail salon, ever since they did their little remodel and it's under new management, they charge $10 more for everything than any other nail salon. And it's really not worth it. I mean, I just get basic nails, no design, nothing. It's just too damn expensive, but he does such a good job. I am going to use a Kat Von, this is not Kat Von D. I'm going to use Huda Beauty's the Overachiever Concealer in Coconut Flakes 10N. I don't really like putting it on with this tip, so I'm going to use a brush. I'm trying to hurry up and finish this because today's Tuesday and the new episode of Mayans came on, and I'm obsessed with that show. The sponge I'm using is the Dose of Colors one. I don't know what happened to it. The first time I washed it, it like fell apart. I really like it though. It's really soft. Okay, and then to set that, I just got this new Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in Glow. So it's like the other one, but it has a glow finish and a sheer coverage with lasting natural luminosity. So I'm going to try this one because I really like the other one. Go in the way I normally do. And uh-oh. I definitely see the glow to it. It's not like super shimmery, but it does have a little bit shimmer, but I feel like it's a little bit darker than, I feel like it's a little bit darker than the original. The shimmer's not the problem because it's kind of really pretty, especially if you're going for like a really glowy look, but It's a little bit darker than, it looks to me a little bit darker than the original. Yeah, it's a little darker. I don't know what's coming out. I like it, but I don't know if you guys can see this. This is the one that I used. Focus. And then this is the original. There's not a lot in there, but you can see that it's lighter. And to set the rest of my face, I got this new Smashbox, what is this? Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. This is in the shade 1. They have 2 different shades. Oh, it's kind of cool because it has this twist that just fell out everywhere. I already used it. I used it once, twice. I used it twice already. I really like it. Oh my god. The door just closed and it scared the shit out of me. I really like it. It has this twist top, so it's kind of like, I don't know if it's hard on the bottom, but it has these little things in the center, and when you twist it, kind of like shaves off a little bit, and it gives you what, so you can only put out as much as you want, and it's kind of hard. Come on, camera. I'm gonna use that to set the rest of my face, and it kind of like mattifies it and also blurs out your skin too, so I really like it. I'm gonna finish up under my eyes, and I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna just take this darker shade right here, which is called Omen, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a little bit of Sacred. This month's palette also comes with a graphic eye pencil. Kind of looks like a crayon. I'm gonna try to use it in my waterline and see if that works. I wonder how this powder under the eyes looks in the sun. Actually, no, I'm gonna go in with the color Voodoo, the bluish, purplish color. Okay, and then in the inner corner, I'm gonna take a little bit of the color Fortune just to brighten that area up. And then I'm gonna try in the waterline. I don't know if it's supposed to be in the waterline, but I'm gonna try this little eye. That works. Will actually be the last video, because the last regular video, because the next video is gonna be a Halloween video. I think I broke my brush. I washed it and then it fell on the floor, and now something's like, hear that? It's my favorite brush. I'm just gonna use my go-to and use the Benefit Cheek Leaders palette in Bronze Squad, and I'm gonna use Hula and a little bit of this one right here because it adds a little bit of warmth to it. Oh great, now it sounds like a baby rattle. I'm gonna do my nose with that same color. Just because I want to kind of keep it matte, just because that setting powder, not matte, but like not super shimmery, just because that setting powder did add a little bit. So I also have this Matte Radiance Baked Powder. Apply a little bit of that with my brush. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's really, really pretty. I want to do another nude. I feel like I do nude all the time now. I don't even know if they have this anymore. It's the Luminous Cosmetics Lion King collection, Disney Lion King. This is in the color Trouble. And that's it. I could do my hair, but I really want to wash my ends.